Today we are going to learn how to create a form in Odoo. So first, go to your main page and go to the website. Once you are on the website, click on New and find the option that says Page. Go to the blank template and put your page title. Each form has its own purposes. So for example, we are creating a form for Help Desk or CRM. So put your page title and put your form title. Once you have put your title, click on Create, and your page will appear. In the blocks, search for Form. Drag the form block to the page, and then go back to all the blocks and search for title. Once you have found the title, drag it onto the main page and enter your title so your customers know what your form is all about. Once you have entered the title, you can customize it to any way you want. Then go to Customize and find Action. Once you have found the Action section, put in their purpose. So for example, create an opportunity. You can also customize your background of your form if you wish. You change the content width of your lines so your form appears properly on phones and any other device you're using. Mark the required sections, so for example, name, phone number, subject. Company is not required, seeing as most people maybe wouldn't have a company. Subject is required, otherwise Odoo wouldn't create the form. So make sure you put the subject. And if you have any other questions, you can also enter those, but it's not required. Once you have made your form, save it and